fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an unboxing from Craft Ease. Now, if you've been following the channel, you know that Craft Ease is one of my Big 10 companies for my diamond painting goals this year. And they actually approached me and asked me if I'd be interested in showing off a canvas to you guys. And so I jumped at the chance. I've actually done one of their kits before. It's another one by this same artist. It was a girl in a unicorn, but I can't remember what the name of it was. So I'll link it up there so you guys can check it out. But they are a diamond painting company that sells licensed diamond paintings. So when they approached me and said, would I like to work with them? I said, yes, please. So let me show you what I got. So let me make sure I got everything out of the box. And you guys, this one is so cute. I actually love this artist's work, and everything she does is just so stinking adorable. So, okay. Let me unroll the canvas here. And then I will get to the drills and the kit and all that good stuff. So, okay. So let's look at our kit and see what comes in our kit. So we get a standard tray, 2 plates of wax, 2 scrunchies, a pair of tweezers, and then we get 2 pins, one with a 3-placer and one with a 7-placer, it looks like. So, and it is a round drill, but there are some ABs, as you can see, also some rhinestones. So let me unwrap the canvas and show you guys. This is called Autumn by, I've forgotten her name, and I don't think it says on here. But I will link it down below so that you guys can see it. And I just thought this was so super cute. Like I said, I love this artist's work, and let me see if you guys can see that little schematic there. It's a little girl, and she's got all these cute little forest animals around her. There's a fox and a deer, a couple of bunnies. I think she's holding another bunny, and then just the dark background and everything. Really cute, really simple. I really like her style of artwork. And when I saw this one, I was like, oh, I think this one will be fun. So we do get a schematic on both sides. So that's good. We have DMC codes. Excellent. And we have 28 colors. So it does look like, let me go through here and see how many of them are going to be crystals. It's nice and sticky. So this is sold, I believe it's a 40 by 40. So let's measure and see what it is. It is drill field size 40 by 40. So that is the actual drill field size. And, you know, looking at it, it's got the circles on it. These are not technically guide circles. It's just a circle so that you can see the symbol. But to me, it kind of ends up being a guide circle. But still, that lets you see the symbols a little bit clearer, so that's a good thing. I don't see anything in looking at this that I think would be an issue. All the symbols seem really clear. In looking at the schematic here, if I go down my DMC numbers, there's one AB, and then it looks like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different crystals. So let's jump into our drills and see what we've got. Because you know me, guys, I just saw the painting and thought it was cute. I didn't even really look at, does it have ABs? Does it have crystals? Also for me, I'm not overly concerned about that because I have my own ABs and my own crystals that I could, you know, sub in if I want to. So not a huge deal to me. And I have way more round ABs and crystals, round crystals, than I do squares. So let's just look at these and see. All right. So it is a round kit, like I said. Some dimples, but the drills look good. So we've got this kind of true purple, a light purple, kind of a mocha peach color, a brick red, kind of a slate blue, a dark purple, that berry pink color that I love. There's a dark orange. It's a pretty color. And then we've got this really long string of drills. Okay, so we've got a dark peach and then a very light peach AB. That's super pretty. So that AB goes where? So there's some here on her cheek. There's some in the fox's ears. There's some on the bunny, on his face and ears. Same with this bunny. So just a highlight color. And then we've got this kind of dark gold, old gold AB or crystal, which that's number 11. That is what? That's the oh, it's in the trees, in like the branches of the trees, the trunks of the trees. Ooh, then we get a dark blue and a bright blue and a very dark blue. We get that bubblegum pink, some burnt orange, a very dark brick red, kind of a reddish orange, a very dark forest green, and then we have these green crystals. This is number 20, and those are also part of the trees, part of the flowers and trees up here in the background. And then we have a very, very dark blue, a light tan, another very pink, kind of a bluish purple violet color. Ooh, and then some very pretty like pale turquoise. And these are also part of the trees down here, some of the flowers up here, and this whole bunny is going to be this color. And then we have a very light peach, kind of a brownish peach, and then we've got these yellow gold rhinestones, and these are part of the this tree down here, part of the flowers and the branches up here, some more down here, this little flower right there. So cool. So I've got, what was that, 3 different rhinestones? No, I think it's 4 different rhinestones. I've got this one, the yellow one, I've got the dark green, I've got the pretty turquoise, and then the kind of old gold. And then I've got this really pretty kind of peachy AB. So I might look at other ABs that I could include to see if it would be worth doing that. That sounds like it might be fun. Let me try and figure out how to fold all these back up here again. So I might kit this one up actually pretty quickly, so maybe I won't worry too much about getting it folded all back up where it goes. But so anyway, yeah. So again, this is Autumn from Craft Ease. And again, I will put a link in the description down below so that you can check them out. Again, all of their artwork is licensed. It doesn't have the artist's name on here, but it does have artist's name on the website. So Ellen something, like I said, I can't think of her name off the top of my head, but love her artwork. I've done it before. They have several pieces of art from her, and they actually have some new art by some new artists that are kind of a different style that I also like. So I may be getting more from Crafties, but this one will be one of my big 10 for my one of my DP goals this year. So I wanted to use Crafties since they were one of the companies that does licensed artwork only, and so they are one of my Big 10, so this canvas will count towards that. So huge thank you to them for sending me the items. So don't forget to check out the link below. And yeah, that's it for me, guys. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.